Hello, I'm Sejal Gangamwar and this is my video SOP for California State University, Long Beach. I would like to take this opportunity to take you all through my journey. My father owns a jewelry firm and I grew up watching him maintaining all the data about the firm manually. The technological breakthrough over the years from physical documents transformed into computer storage and frequent business trips are now possible by video conferencing. And this helped my father not only flourish the business but also be more relaxed. This transition was enchanting and allowed me to pursue career in information systems. In 2016, I opted to pursue information technology in my bachelor's due to its interdisciplinary nature and curriculum well aligning with my interest. I gained a thorough understanding of application development processes through core technology courses. And I also opted for Management Information Systems course, which was cherry on the cake for me. This course introduced me to various concepts such as analyzing business needs, office automation systems, and ERP systems. Soon, after completing the third year of my bachelor's, I was selected as a digital marketing intern at Podium Systems, Pune. I assisted my manager with the marketing strategies that would engage new customers and potential clients. I later managed a team of 5 members and 20 clients, which led me to acquire the leadership skills. And my seniors acknowledged my diligence and affability with the token of appreciation as Intern of the Month. Later, in my final year, I developed an Android application called Career Hub and was aimed to avail a platform for the students in searching the universities and providing the details of admission requirements. I also researched and designed an algorithm for psychological test that assesses who you are and matches you against several aspects of what makes a perfect career. This project not only saved hundreds of hours for the students but also the thousands of rupees that they spent on the career advisors. Post-graduation, I started working at Webinize Lab Pune as a business analyst intern. I worked on a project called Shaze, which was in the e-commerce domain. The heedful exercise of gathering the requirements, aggressive research on the functionalities, and rigorous discussions with the clients and tech teams led me to deliver the best possible product. My manager appreciated my performance and uncanny passion for problem solving and allowed me to work with the CEO and creative director on one of the most complex projects called Martech, a customized user tracking system. Moreover, my outstanding accomplishments opened the doors for me to work simultaneously on 4 different projects and collaborate with the respective tech teams. No doubt, my experience with Webinize was incredible, but it was time for me to spread my wings and explore more in this field. So I decided to join Amazatic Solutions Pune, and there I seized an opportunity to work in data analytics on Project Staples. While scrutinizing the project requirements, I enrolled myself in online courses, Tableau and MySQL, which helped me to evolve my knowledge and deliver the task effectively. At this stage, I believe pursuing a master's degree at prestigious California State University would be the perfect place to enhance my skills and grow immensely in this field of study, as the curriculum that includes courses such as Management Information Systems and Database Management will provide me with the opportunity to nurture my techno-managerial skills. I believe in an education where there is two-way interaction, which seems to be possible at CSULB as you provide small-sized classes, which helps in better understanding of concepts. I respect the values that CSULB believes in. That is, public good is our responsibility, diversity is our strength, and innovation characterizes our culture, as I always wish to do my bit to make this world a better place. My goal is to work as a successful business analyst in the industry and address as well as solve organizational problems and create strategic business processes by gaining in-depth knowledge of technical and management notions. I am confident that Information Systems program at CSU LB would help me achieve that. Thank you.